we will have a contest. The one who fall asleep first is gonna be the winner, and the winner is going to SM tomorrow. If you win, wait, not yet.
Alright!
Oh, if you win, then we will take you to your favorite restaurant. What's your favorite restaurant? Candy Roger? Candy
No,
Roger.
no, I wanna go to SM and play.
And play? Or maybe some other time.
No, what are you promise to buy?
Okay, the loser will, of course, we'll just gonna get hot rice. Okay, you will count. You ready?
In 3, 2, 1. Papa, you're awake?
Oh, what?
You're awake,
Why did-
Papa! You tickle me!
Why did you wake me up, Mandy? I'm sleeping.
No!
So I'm the one who... So I won the game?
No, Papa, you were tickling
No.
me!
No.
Papa, the
So I
cheetah,
really...
the
Hey,
cheetah,
ow.
the cheetah!
Mandy, that hurts.
I don't want.
Hmm.
I don't want. You
Aray ko, Mandy. That hurt.
You
Aray. Mandy.
You
Tickle. I didn't tickle you. I was sleeping.
God, come on, tickle. Papa or me?
What?
Papa or me, Karishma, please say it. Or
Alina.
Crystal.
The winner. Mandy, I won the game. Because you didn't sleep.
No, Papa! I was not cheating! Stop it! I was just like this.
1 plus 1.
2.
2? No, it's... Kulangot. Ay, Mandy, sleep ka na. Sleep ka na. Oh, aray ko, that hurt. Ay, ikaw, get here. Aray.
I did it.
Ay, tulog na si Amanda.